The most expensive hotel room in the world comes at a price tag of $28,000 per night and is designed to resemble a spaceship. It can be rented at the St Regis Abu Dhabi or converted into an apartment that comes with all of the amenities of home. The Grand Tour Hotel in Dubai has been designed by architect Peter Marino and is located in the Burj Khalifa. It consists of 2 suites, one of which is the most expensive hotel room in the world. The suite consists of a living room that features a large window showcasing views of Dubai, a bedroom with an attached bathroom and a terrace with 360-degree views. How do you get a reservation? How does it compare to other 5-star hotels? Getting a reservation at a 5-star hotel is not an easy task. The hotels usually have to plan their inventory months in advance and they have to take into account the number of events and conferences that are happening in the area. However, there is always the possibility of getting lucky if one has saved up enough points on their credit card or enough time to plan their event in advance. You will most likely need to book your reservation through an agent, concierge, or online booking system. You can also get a reservation by calling the hotel directly. A lot of people prefer this method because it is more personal and you can ask for specific needs that you might have, such as room location or amenities that you might need. What are some other luxurious hotels that allow you to spend at least $10,000 or more a night? Why do people really pay so much when cheaper alternatives exist? If you are a millionaire and you want to spend your fortune on a hotel stay, there are many luxurious hotels in the world that will be happy to accommodate you. The Peninsula Hotel in Beverly Hills is one of the most expensive hotels in the world. It offers guests access to an infinity pool, a spa, and a rooftop garden with views of Los Angeles. Guests can also enjoy Michelin-starred dining at its restaurant before retiring to their suite for the night. The Peninsula Hotel is perfect for those who want luxury without having to sacrifice convenience. The Four Seasons Resort Hualalai on Hawaii's Big Island is another luxurious hotel that allows guests to spend more than $10,000 per night. This resort features an 18-hole golf course as well as 2 pools and 5 hot tubs. When it comes down to it, nothing can compare to the most expensive hotel room in the world. What do you think?